So Google I/O is right around the corner. It's literally kicking off tomorrow. And we thought it'd be a good time to revisit Pixel 3, or in this case, the 3 XL. We reviewed it when we first got it, and 6 months later, we thought now would be the opportune time before they announce some cool new features, software features. Maybe they will, maybe they won't, to see how well it's held up over that half a year time. So the hardware, third generation, they went for a matte glass finish, which is great to look at, but I know when a lot of people got their review units, a lot of them cracked like right away, sometimes even in cases. So I made sure to case up right away, and I guess I got a good one because mine's is that lovely white color and is still in good shape. Looks brand new out the box, which isn't something that usually happens to me. The notch is still an eyesore, especially in a world of teardrops and pinhole designs. It's there, it doesn't bother you as much after you use it for a while. Now the overall performance wasn't quite flagship quality at launch for some. So with the Snapdragon 855 and 4 gigs of RAM, this should have worked out fine, but somewhere in the software, the execution got a bit janky. Over several monthly updates, that issue is no more, but that's for me. However, many Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL owners still suffer from some sort of issue. The folks over at 9 to 5 Google kind of posted a lot of, like, a consensus of like the 6 issues that many Pixel 3 owners are still suffering from. So that ranges from, slow to crashing camera app, ambient display issues, and then the same old bad memory management. Since we're using the 3XL, mine has a 3,430 milliamp battery inside. It's actually gotten a little bit better over time. It definitely gets you, moderate to heavy usage, anywhere between like 12 and 15 hours, depending on your mileage may vary. Let's move on to the software a little bit. One of my favorite features from the Pixel 2 was the Now Playing feature. But the issue with that is, it was able to identify songs, but you couldn't do nothing with it. You had to go download a third-party app or something to try to figure out, all right, well, where are all my Now Playing songs? So they fixed it, and they made sure to rectify that by having actual history that you can go all the way back. I can actually go in here and go all the way back to October when I first got the phone and see what songs I was listening to. If you don't know, Now Playing is pretty much an always-on Shazam feature that it'll just let you know what songs you're playing with, and you don't have to do anything. It'll just notice it if, database is always growing. You can even be in like IKEA or something where, reception isn't that great, and it'll still capture those songs for you. Call screening is a godsend in the days of spamming and robocalls, and just people prefer to text or email rather than phone call, like me, or have Google screen your call. Google literally say hi to this person using answering service used by Google. Basically, you can fish them out, see what the hell they want, and before you even pick up the phone to see what are they talking about, or you can just hang up on them. So we got to talk about the cameras. So now with the S10 and Huawei and even Apple, it's like, okay, well now the competition, there's some serious competition out here. How well are the cameras holding up in early 2019? Actually pretty damn well still. I think in most cases, the Pixel is probably still the better camera. Other cameras may excel in certain areas, but I think the Pixel is still kind of point and shoot and get the best quality image from the rear and the front. So to buy or not to buy, it's a tough call, as some performance issues still exist for some users. So it still has one of the best cameras on the smartphone, or the best, depending on who you ask. You just have to, there's a lot of baggage that comes along with it at the current time. So if you have one, how's it treating you? Sound off below. We can talk about it. And thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world. You're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so. And see you in the next video. Peace.